Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got a really gorgeous coach bag to show you today. So this is the Coach Pillow Tabby 26 and pillow is like the perfect name for it. This leather feels incredible. It's super soft and you can see when I hold it like that it's so pillowy and squishy. It's gorgeous. So we have got one top handle which is removable. You can see that it clips on to either side. We've got that leather Coach dog tag as well, which is also that gorgeous squishy pillowy leather material, and then we've also got one strap which is again removable, and this is also adjustable. So we've got it on the shortest setting at the minute, so you can see you've got quite a few settings to make it longer as well. And then we've got a flat closure with that C for Coach on the front, and it's got a press stud fasten, and then inside we've got one central zipped pocket, and then we've also got two further just open compartments again, and I just can't get over how soft and tactile this leather feels. It just feels gorgeous to hold. The condition of it is in a really nice condition, and we've called the exterior very good, and that is really picky actually because it is in an almost perfect condition. There's just some really faint marking on the strap, and it's so faint that it will barely even show up in the camera really, but just on this top handle you can see that there is just a little bit of faint marking, and there is a tiny little mark on the back here as well. So again, you can only really see it in certain lightings, but you can just feel it if you feel over there. There is just a little bit of a mark there. So that is why we've called it very good, because other than that it is absolutely perfect. All of that leather is in a really nice condition. The hardware, again, we've called very good, which again is being really picky. It's this kind of antique gold look to it anyway. So you can see it's kind of got that bit of a aged, brushed look to that gold hardware. But it is all in a perfect condition, except for just underneath that press stud. There's a little bit of scratching. Again, it's really minimal. And that is the only wear to the hardware at all. It's just under that C press stud. There's a little bit of scratching around there, but other than that, it's in a perfect condition. And then the interior we've called excellent. There is no wear at all to the interior. It's perfect in there, and again we've got that leather throughout, which just makes it feel really nice quality, and it is perfect on the inside as well. So it is a gorgeous bag, and it's in a really gorgeous condition as well. Just get that closed. So it comes with a couple of bits. We've got the Coach little care card here, and then we also have one smaller dust bag for those straps, again because they are removable. If you decide to take one of them off and store them, it's nice to have a little dust bag to store them in. And then we also have the larger dust bag for the main bag as well. So if you would like to know the exact measurements, again it's the size 26, but the exact measurements are going to be on our website. The quickest way to find this bag on our website is to go to the description below. The link to shop this exact Coach Tabby is in that description. So if you click that, it should hopefully take you straight to this bag. But as you know, if it doesn't, it does mean it has sold. We do have a request list that you can get onto. So if you've been looking out for one of these, or if you've seen it on our website and you've fallen in love, seen it on our YouTube, fallen in love with it, and by the time you get to our website it's already gone, just let us know and we can get you on our request list. Super easy to do that. Just send us over an email, or while you're on our website as well, you'll find the contact us form. Let us know that you want one of these, and we'll get you on that request list, and as soon as we have another one, you'll be one of the first to know. So that's the request list. Get yourself on there if you're interested in one of these. I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So again, you have the option of either having just that top handle, because this is removable, or you can have just that longer strap as well. So I'll pop this long strap off so you can see what it looks like with just the top handle. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", and it's a perfect size as a top handle to just pop on your shoulder like that, and it just feels really comfortable to wear because it is so squishy and pillowy. It just sits really nicely under your arm like that. Or you can pop this strap off, and you can even have it without any strap. It makes a really nice little clutch, a little pouch. It looks gorgeous just on its own as well. Or you can pop on that longer strap, and that just clips, and it's really, really easy to attach this strap. Just clips on really easily on either side. And then again, we've got it on the shortest setting of the strap at the minute, and you can pop that on your shoulder. Or I think my favourite way to wear it is as a crossbody. This sits at a perfect height as a crossbody for me, and it just looks really gorgeous. So go to the link in the description below to have a look at this beautiful Coach bag on our website. Sign up to our newsletter while you're on there, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. You can use that discount on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on that. Have a look at the How to Sell with Us page if you're interested in selling your pre-loved designer bags. We'd love to see what you've got for us. And don't forget, while you're here, to like this video, and we have more gorgeous bags to show you every day. So hit that alert button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back very soon.